friends, welcome back to Uttarashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Officially, it's summer here in the United States, and this is the time of the year when the smell of charcoal passes through the streets, campfire sparks to life. Time to spend most of the day out in parks and beaches, and of course, the taste of juicy burgers that tickles your taste buds. Not only with today's recipe, but we have some very interesting vegan and vegetarian barbecue recipes we are going to share. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can receive our updates and find out what we are making. Alright, let's get started. Paneer Tikka is an Indian recipe made from chunks of paneer, which is Indian cottage cheese, marinated in spices and grilled. We are going to dice some multicolored peppers, green, yellow, orange, and red. We always love colorful dishes, and it's good to eat vegetables and fruits that are in different colors. Now it's time to cut the paneer into cubes. Paneer is my favorite cheese. I love eating paneer. I would eat it every day with a bit of vegetables. To a mixing bowl, add yogurt. This will enhance the taste and also tenderize the paneer and make it soft. We are adding fresh homemade tikka masala. This spice blend has turmeric powder, garam masala, coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, cardamom powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, and salt. Check the description box below for the ingredients to make this homemade tikka masala spice blend. Add oil, just a little bit, not so much. Chopped cilantro, lemon juice, mix well. Slowly add the diced paneer and bell pepper and mix gently without breaking. Cover and marinate for 20 to 30 minutes. You can marinate and keep in the refrigerator for 8 to 10 hours for more flavorful paneer tikka. Time to arrange our paneer and bell peppers to the skewers. Here's the order: paneer and then a bell pepper. Now we're going to do different bell pepper colors each time. To all our vegan friends, use extra firm tofu instead of paneer. Mix oil, lemon juice, and tikka masala blend to a thick paste and coat on tofu and marinate for at least 1 hour for the flavors to blend in. Isn't it looking colorful? Turn on the grill. You can apply some spray and arrange skewers. Close and cook for 5 to 7 minutes or until paneer and peppers are cooked well. Beautiful grill marks on the paneer. Time to transfer to a serving dish. Enjoy this paneer tikka as an appetizer. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and stay tuned to find out some more grill recipes in our upcoming videos. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye bye!